By golly, it can quit any time. This is Holiday Park Resort, where we live. This is our little 6-hole golf course. I don't think they'll be golfing today. It's Di and I have lived here since 1991. We've never seen anything like this. This is still more of the golf course over here. There's going to be probably fish running around in here later on. You look over to the far side there, you can see the highway. Yeah, I don't think they're golfing today. Pretty crazy. We've lived here, like I say, since 1991. I've never seen this. This is absolutely bizarre.